sprinkle some cells on it, which is what I do. Take this up here for just a sec, Joe. Joe trusts me with his laptop. What would most of you say your primary market is?
Real estate.
Location.
Single family.
What location?
Cottonwood Heights.
Cottonwood Heights. Okay. St. Mary's. Okay, so Sandy. So I'm hearing all east side locations. If I said east side Salt Lake, would most of you say, I mean, you'll go west to sell, right?
Yeah.
We'll go wherever we need to. But would most of you say east side Salt Lake's your primary market? Okay. What are you telling buyers right now about east side Salt Lake? When you meet with a new buyer, what are you telling them to expect?
Fast market.
Okay, a fast market.
Not much for sale.
Not much for sale. Kev alluded to low inventory. We have less than a 2-month supply.
They need to be ready to act.
Okay.
If they find something, they need to be ready to.
Ready to act. We're giving you those tools in a couple ways, right? Wills classes, the lenders we have in here now, pre-qual. So that's like imperative in this market, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you sometimes what I do. I call a bird's eye view into a reality check. You all just said that east side Salt Lake's your market, okay? So any of you can do this, and it's only going to take you 30 seconds. So follow my moves in the MLS. All we're going to do is active. You're all going to go, Jake, I do this every day, and then it's going to blow your mind. Okay? Active. There are 6,357 residential properties active for sale in the MLS. Salt Lake County, 1,601. Property type, single family, 1,175 to choose from. East side only, 461. I'm going to round the numbers so it's simple for you. 100 of them are under 400 grand. 100 of them are over $1 million. That leaves 250 homes, all of east side Salt Lake, between 400 and $1 million.
Wow.
Okay? Now, if you're a buyer, did I just give you a reality check?
Yeah.
Without really stepping on your toes, right? Okay? When we give our customers real data and they watch us do it, it's a lot more powerful than, it's low inventory right now. You're really going to have to move fast. You know, they're kind of like, yeah. And then what do they do after they go shopping with you? Ah, gosh, I didn't really like any of those. We'll keep watching. That's when you dive into the script I gave you a couple weeks ago about appreciation and how we're seeing the market move at a 2% pace a month right now based on median price. So when I do this to clients, they go, ooh, wow. I'll just wait till there's more inventory. I go, that's fine. But do you care about money? And I say that. I literally say that. I'm not joking. I say, do you care about money? And the reaction is always a shocker. Like, come on, Jake. I care about money. Get serious. I'm like, well, median price is moving at 2% a month. I can show you that too. I mean, you just watched me fly on inventory. I can show you how it's moving 2% a month. Then they go, well, does it always do that? Yeah, it did that 4 out of the last 6 springs all the way till July. It's February. So 5 months times 2 is 10%. You're looking in the 400s. That house might be 400 now. It's 450, 460, 480 in July. And history. The road to convert them or get them to write offer. Hope that helps.
Thanks, Tim.